Hello friend, welcome again to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to modify a simple ampli speaker which has got no Bluetooth and turn it into a Bluetooth ampli speaker. Here I have a Samson Auro 15-inch active speaker. This is a very old ampli speaker which I have, and it's been completely worn, so I have to modify it by putting with my homemade amplifier. For the woofer, this is the amplifier, and for the tweeter I'm using 7294 IC. This is the one. So I'll make a mark here to drill this to put the switch. First of all, I thought of using this big one, but since we have got no space here, it's full of components and we have got no space left here. So I have decided I will use with the small Bluetooth module. And this socket here is for the microphone input. Inside this plastic cover, you'll find a preamplifier. So we have to open this cover in order to reach the preamp. This is the part here where the socket is fitted. So let's check its pin. Now let's check the ground first. 1, 2, 3. These 3 pins from here are ground. Now let's check the input. 1, 2. These 2 are the input pins. These 2 input pins are connected through this resistance, and from this resistance it goes all the way to this preamp IC. So let's remove this resistance. Now the resistance is removed. Let's check with the multimeter. It's reading 1500 ohms. Now we will connect one from the input and the other from the output. This wire should be connected to a switch. It's time to fit the 5-volt regulator. So I have drilled a hole on this 15-volt regulator heatsink. This is the heatsink of a 15-volt regulator. Now these 2 capacitors, I will mix both left and right. Because this ampli speaker here, it is a mono amplifier, so I have to mix these 2 output to turn into mono. Now we have left and right mixed together to get a mono signal to feed to the ampli speaker. Remember that SMD resistance which we took it out from this circuit, so we are going to replace with this 1/4 watt resistance, and we will fit directly on the switch rather in the circuit. And this other wire should be connected to the resistance. Now it's time to connect the Bluetooth module. Now let's connect the output from the Bluetooth. And let's connect the 5-watt power to a regulator IC. And last, connect the ground wire. This is the sound output wire which going to the switch, and this is 5-watt power which goes to regulator IC. And the input power, I took it from here, plus 15-volt regulator IC. And at the last moment, I decided to put an LED indicator, so I drill another hole here, and I have decided to put with a double pole, double throw switch, so that I can switch both the LED and the Bluetooth. One side for the LED indicator, and the other side is for the sound. Now we'll fit this indicator and apply some glue and let it dry, and connect the ground pin of LED indicator to a body of a switch to reduce unwanted noise, and the plus wire of LED connect to a middle pin of a switch. This is the output wire, and remember there is an SMD resistance which we took it out, so we will use with this 1/4 watt resistance. We won't connect in the circuit anymore, so we'll connect it directly on the switch. And should be connect in the middle pin of a switch. Now let's check the continuity of the input. So this is the input line. This one should be connected to pin number 3 of a switch. And this pin number 1 should be connected to Bluetooth. Now let's connect the ground by soldering on the body of a switch. And into a middle pin of a 5-volt regulator IC. And this 1K resistance, we will connect it to pin number 1 of a switch for the indicator LED. And connect this red wire to a 1K resistance to give power to the LED indicator. And from here, connect to a positive 5-volt of a regulator IC. And that's all. Now that we have finished, let's close it and let's check.
Bluetooth mode. Connected. Bluetooth mode. Connected. Bluetooth mode. Connected.
We have fit the Bluetooth successfully. As you have seen, it's working perfectly. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.